Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Voyager versus Equinox. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which vehicle might be the best fit for your daily drives and family adventures. We'll cover everything from passenger capacity to cargo space and overall driving experience. Stay tuned to discover the key aspects that set these two popular models apart. Let's dive into the design and dimensions of these two vehicles. The Voyager, as a minivan, prioritizes interior space, offering generous legroom and cargo capacity for larger families or extensive hauling. In contrast, the Equinox's compact SUV design provides a more nimble feel, ideal for city driving and easier parking. These size differences significantly impact their utility and driving dynamics. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood and the features you can expect. The Voyager generally offers a more powerful engine, providing robust acceleration and towing capabilities suitable for heavier loads. The Equinox, with its smaller engine, focuses on fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commutes. Both models come equipped with essential safety features and connectivity options for a comfortable ride. Finally, let's consider the value proposition and our recommendation. The Voyager, while having a higher initial cost, offers unmatched space and versatility for larger families or those needing significant cargo room. The Equinox provides excellent value as a compact SUV, balancing affordability with practicality for smaller families or individuals. Your choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.